Hi friends, this is Hrithik and today I'm going to share one of my project with you that is home automation using Internet of Things, and the materials required for this is jumper wires and a Nodemcu Wi-Fi module and 5 volt relay module. I took the 2-channel 5 volt relay module and I have taken one DC motor. We can take another appliances like fan, lights and other things, but working with high voltage is dangerous, so I took for just for demonstration purpose I took this small DC motor, and this fan is from this, and this is the data transfer cable to upload the code to the Nodemcu. Android or iOS mobile, go to the Play Store or App Store, search for the Blynk app and download and install it, and I have already installed it, so I am opening it. For the first time you will get a dialog box to register and to register with your email ID or Facebook account or Apple account. You have to register and add new project, and I want to this project as home automation and select the choose device. Choose the device to the Nodemcu board. There is a Nodemcu connection type Wi-Fi. So task got like this and one auth token will be sent to your mail account. You have to make sure you have to store it. Here it comes the coding part of this project, and go to the Arduino official website and download the Arduino IDE software and click on this Windows installer. Now open your Arduino sketchboard and let's start our coding. Okay, go to the tab, sketch tab. Go to the file and go to the examples. You have to download the Blynk libraries first. You can download it, you can search it in the Google. Go to the Blynk, to the boards, Wi-Fi, ESP8266 standard. Now click on this. Okay. This is the sketch. Here what you have to do is you have to paste the auth token that I have sent to your mail by the Blynk app that we have done earlier, and here your network name and your password, I mean your home network. You have to Nodemcu board to our PC. Okay, I have connected it, and now go to the tools. Make sure that board is Nodemcu. Most common will be Arduino, Uno or other boards. Down. And click on this Nodemcu 1.0 ESP20 module, and make sure to select the home port. I haven't selected the COM6, I have got COM6 here. Now let's verify it, compile it. It's compiling right now. Okay friends, let's click on this plus button, I mean to add button, and add one button and rename it as relay 1, RELAY, relay 1, and change this pin to D3, and this from 1 to 0, push to switch. Okay, now let's add another button. I have took the 2 channels relay, so I have 2 relays, so I am adding 2 of those buttons. Relay 2, change this pin to digital D4, change this to 1 to 0, push to switch. Okay guys, okay friends, let's jump into the connections part of this video, and this is an Nodemcu as you know, and we have to connect one of this to the D3 pin, as we have kept this D3 pin in the Blynk app. That's actually for this I have put a D3 pin, digital and digital pin 3 and digital pin 4. Digital pin 4. This is for one relay 1 goes to the relay D3 pin, and relay 2 goes to the D4 pin, and one of this goes to go to the ground pin, and another one to 3 volt 3 pin. This relay works actually on the 5 volts, but I am using the small appliances DC motor, so I have connected to the 3 volt supply. Now I have connected the DC motor and take the battery. Okay. D3 pin to the first relay. Here, as you can see, IN1, IN2, VCC, ground. Now first relay, I mean D3 pin to the IN1. This is to the relay 1, and second one. Okay, second one, red one. Second relay to the IN2, that is to relay 2, and there is a VCC pin here. Now we have to connect the power supply. I have taken the 3 volt supply to the VCC pin, 3 volts to the VCC, and the ground pin to the ground pin to the ground of the relay board. Okay, now let's connect our motor or DC motor to the relay board. This is the relay 2, that's indicated as a K2 and K1. I'm connecting to the relay 1 right now. This we can take other appliances also. Now I have connected the DC motor and take the battery. Actually, there is one other part. Actually, our project is to run our home appliances using the Google Assistant. For that, we have to go to the IFTTT and we have to do some more work in here. Let's jump into that work. Sign up with your mail account and open the IFTTT.com site, and we have to create an applet. Okay, I will show you. Click on create app here. There's a create. Okay. Here it shows with this, then that. Click on this. So I'll choose a service. Now we are going to choose a Google Assistant. Connect. Click on connect. Now I am connecting my Google Assistant to the IFTTT. So when I say command, it receives and it converts through webhook service. I will show you now how it works. Okay, here it comes. Choose a trigger. Say a simple phrase. Click on this. Okay, what do you want to say? I want to say turn on motor. What's another way to say it?
That's good.
I have pasted my auth token here. Now click on the method and click on this put here, content type application JSON body, and it comes to the main part. This is for I'm turning on the motor. When you have to turn on the motor, you have to write this 1, right? 1. Click on create action. So it's taking a little bit long. Okay, turn on motor, then make a web request by minus click. Okay, DC node request when this app returns. Finish. Click on finish, and now we have to make another applet to turn off the motor. Okay, now let's make the another one. Click on create. If this, search for Google Assistant. This all goes to the Google Assistant and Blynk server. What do you want to say? Turn off motor. Turn the motor off. Turn motor off. And what do you want assistant want to say? Okay. Turning off the motor. Click on create trigger. Then that. Then what should happen? We have to go to the webbook server, and this will link to the Blynk server. Make a web request. URL. You have to here. URL. You have to paste your auth token here. Method put content type application JSON body. What you have to do is to take the value 0, okay guys, now let's create action. Click on finish. We have come to the last part of our video, that is the workflow, and check it that it is actually working or not. Okay, let's check it. Hey Google, turn on motor. Cool, right? Hey Google, turn off motor. This is what called as home automation using Internet of Things. I haven't clicked any of the button. There is no switch here and there is nothing here. Just through my phone, I am controlling the appliances. Hey Google, turn off motor. Okay, I will just turn off. Turn on motor.